Now, today what we are going to see is from cumulative frequency we will make original frequency distribution. So from cumulative, we prepare original frequency distribution. Now, let's take some sums, extra sums to understand this concept. Now, extra 1 less than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Cumulative frequency 0, 3, 10, 20, 26, 30. Now this type of question is given to you. Now from this type of question, we have to prepare a original frequency distribution. So original frequency distribution. Now, ध्यान दो प्लीज. तो ओरिजिनल फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी वांट इज क्लास and then frequency. Now again, whether from original we make less than type or from less than type we make original, the first class or the first variable over here always is the most important. Now 10 से कम there are 0, 20 से कम there are 3. तो पहला क्लास क्या आएगा हमारा? 0 to 10 या 10 to 20?
10 to 20.
Absolutely correct. पहला क्लास आएगा 10 to 20. समझ में आया ये सबको? समझ में आया सबको? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next class, obviously 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Agree with me? क्या 60 to 70 आएगा?
No, sir.
No, 60 to 70 will not come. Now, how to make the frequency? ध्यान दो. Less than 10, 0. Less than 20, 3. So 10 to 20 कितना?
3.
10 to 20 is 3. So 3 minus 0 is 3. I'll write over here 3 minus 0. Then 20 to 30 कितना? 20 to 30.
7.
Yes, highest में से lowest या previous one minus करते जाना है. So this is 7. 10 minus 3. Then 20 minus 10, which is 10. Then
20 minus 13 नहीं होगा?
No, 20 minus 10 because less than, see less than 30 10 लोग हैं और less than 40 20 लोग हैं. तो 30 to 40 कितने हुए?
10 लोग.
10 लोग. बराबर है. यहाँ पे अलग तरीके से करना है. So 40 to 50, 26 minus 20 is 6.
6.
And then
4.
30 minus 26 is 4. So यहाँ पे from less than type to original frequency distribution, तुम ये एरोज है ना ऐसे मार्क कर देना ताकि तुम्हें पता चले कि कैसे हम ये वैल्यूज लाए. नाउ ऑलवेज क्रॉस वेरीफाई इसका टोटल. So 3 and 7, 10 and 10, 20, 26 and 4 is 30. This should match. Understood this? All of you? Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Now let's take a case. Okay, in this sum, the first one was given 10 and cumulative frequency was given 3, then 20, then 10, then 30, then 20. If it was given like this, can you tell me what will be the first class?
0 to 10.
0 to 10.
Very good. 0 to 10. Understood this? All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
दोनों में फर्क पता चला? Okay, so be careful. Okay, here it will be 0 to 10. Nice. Now, let's go for more than type to original. So I write the heading. More than type to original frequency distribution. Now, I'll take an extra sum again. More than well, let's take some different numbers. Cumulative frequency. And 0. So we have this question. More than. Now from this, we have to prepare a original frequency distribution. Class and frequency. Now, tell me students, what will be the first class?
10 to 15.
10
10
to
to
15.
15.
More than
10
10.
to 15.
So 10 to 15. Very good. Next will be 15 to 30. Sorry, 15 to 20.
20. 20.
Then 20 to 25. 25 to 30. 30 to 35. Will we have 35 to 40?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Because थोड़ा दिमाग भी लगाना है, सिर्फ mechanically नहीं करना है. You also have to apply your mind and think. More than 35 is 0. So we don't have a class 35 to 40. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to make the frequency? Very simple. Again, highest minus lowest. Okay, here you have to go down. More than 10, 30, more than 15, or more than equal to 15 is 25. So 10 to 15, how much? 10 to 15 is 30 minus 25 is
5.
5.
25 minus 14 is 11. 14 minus 7 is 7.
7.
7 minus 2,
5.
5. And 2 minus 0.
2.
Very good. 2 minus 0 is 2. So total, always check
30.
5, 16 and 7, 23 and 7 is 30. This
30.
should match with this. Now, लाइफ हमेशा इतना सिंपल नहीं रहता बच्चों. अगर यहाँ पे दिया होता 35 में इंस्टेड ऑफ 0, इफ इट वाज गिवन 1, मोर देन 35 1, तो फिर हमारा लास्ट क्लास क्या आता?
35 to 40. 35 to 40.
Is this clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you
Yes,
understand
sir.
this? Now,
Yes.
write it down and then we go to typical illustration sums. We'll be doing illustration 9 from the textbook. Very important. Now, less than cumulative frequency distribution of weight in kg of 50% is given in the following table. Now, less than दिया है, और cumulative frequency दिया है. So 30, 0, 35, 7, 40, 15, so on, so forth. Now there are 3 questions in this question. The first one is, just a moment. First question is, how many person have weight less than 45? So look at the data and we have to find out कि ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जिनका weight 45 से कम है. Looking at the question.
22.
Sorry, how much?
Sir, 30.
45 से
22.
कम है. That is
30.
22.
30, sir.
30. Very good, because we already have that ready table with us. So let's write the answer to the first one. Number of person having weight less than 45 kgs is equal to 30 persons from the table. Now, the second question. How many person have weight between 50 and 65 kg? यानी ये 50 between 50 and 65 kg. How many people have weight between 50
Sir, 11.
90.
and 65?
49 minus 38.
38. Yes, very good. 40.
11. 49 minus 38.
Yes. Less than 50, 38. Less than 65, 49. So 49 minus 30. So we have to present it So let's present it. Number of persons having weight less than 65 kgs is equal to 49 persons. Number of persons having weight less than 50 kgs is equal to 38 persons. Therefore, number of persons having weight between 65 kgs and 50 kgs is equal to 49 minus 38, which is equal to 11 persons. Our final answer. Now we will go to the third part. Now I've already made the format, so you all please make the format. Answer 3. Now in the format what you make, you also write this question again, and then along with that you write this original frequency distribution, our answer. So this is our answer. So you also make a table, so it will be easier for you to make the classes and write everything. So I give you a moment for that. This is the question what was given to us. Now from this less than type cumulative frequency, we have to prepare original frequency distribution. So for that, we write the headings weight, then classes, and then number of person, that is frequency. Now, less than 30 is 0, less than 35 is 7. So what will be the first class?
30 to
30 to
35.
35.
Very good. Okay, so start writing. Then 35 to 40, then 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70. Acha, will we have 70 to 75?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
लो में लिखते
sir.
मत जाना कि चलो मजा आ रहा है, लिखते जाओ लिखते ओके रुक जाना, बिकॉज लास्ट इज 70, 70 से कम. ओके तो 70 से ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है, सो 70 to 75 नहीं आएगा. नाउ comes the time. Number of person frequency initially है, so I'll write the working calculation also. तो पहला less than 30 is 7, less than 30 is 0, less than 35 is 7. So what we do is now for 30 to 35 we will take 7 minus 0.
Minus 0.
7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Then 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Then 30 minus 15 is equal to 15. Then 38 minus 30, which is equal to 8. So you can see from highest value we subtract the immediate lowest value. Then 44 minus 38 which is equal to 6. Then 47 minus 44, which is equal to 3. Then 49 minus 47, which is equal to 2. And 50 minus 49, which is equal to 1. Now let's check the total. 7, 8, 15,
50.
38, 40, 30, 38 and 6, 44 and 6, 50. So total is 50. Now, how we did original frequency distribution? Once again, those of you who missed out, ध्यान दो. Now, first you make all the classes like this. So we make the class. Be careful about the first class. Okay. So 30 से चालू हुआ है. So 30 to 35. End हो रहा है 70 पे. So यहाँ पे end हो गया. Now, frequency कैसे find करेंगे? So 7 minus 0 is 7. 15 minus 7, 8. 30 minus 15. 38 minus 30, 44 minus 38, 47 minus 44, 49 minus 47, 50 minus 49. ऐसे करके we got all these values. Now, go through it, see if you have any doubts. Now, illustration number 10. Again, an important one. From the following, more than cumulative frequency distribution, determine the number of persons having age 40 or more. Determine the number of persons having age less than 40. Interesting. And determine the original frequency distribution. Now lower boundary point or more than. So more than is given. Cumulative frequency is given. Now the data is given horizontal. So please be extra careful. Now, we answer the questions one by one. So, answer first. Determine the number of person having age 40 or more. तो 40 या 40
70.
ज्यादा कितने लोग हैं डायरेक्ट हमें मिल गया या 70. So आंसर लिखो. From the table about number of persons having age 40 years or more is are 70 persons. This is your first answer. सेकेंड वन थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. ओके, ध्यान देना. आंसर 2. Now, determine the number of person having age less than 40. So 40
Sir, 100 minus 70.
total, yes,
30.
there are 100. Okay, because more than 25 वाले सब है तो 100 लोग है, उसमें से 40 से ज्यादा 70 है. So 40 से कम कितने हुए? So 100 minus 70, which is equal to 30. So let's present this from the table above. Number of persons with age more than 40 years. Age, ऐसे लिखते हैं, age 40 years or more is equal to 70 persons out of total 100 persons. Therefore, number of persons with age less than 40 years is equal to 100 persons minus 70 persons, which is equal to 30%. This is our final answer. Now, we go to the third part, determine the original frequency distribution. So you need to make a format. So you also write the question. Okay, parallelly, so easy रहेगा तुम्हारे लिए. And then the original frequency distribution will prepare over here. First write this. Initially you follow this format till you are very confident. Over here, more than type cumulative frequency distribution is given. So 25 से ज्यादा 100, 30 से ज्यादा 96, 35 से ज्यादा 87. So पहला क्लास क्या आएगा?
20 to 25.
25 30. 25 to 25 30. to 25 to 30.
20 to 25.
25 to 30.
30.
30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75. Will it come?
No. No, sir.
Because more than 70 is 0. तो 70 से ज्यादा नहीं है कोई भी frequency, तो लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. You don't need to write 70 to 75 0, 75 to 80 0. No, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Now, once you write the classes, we go for frequency. Again, the method remains the same. Highest में से lowest को minus करो. So 100 minus 96 is equal to 4. 96 minus 87, which is equal to 9. 87 minus 70 is equal to 17. 70 minus 45 is equal to 25. 45 minus 25 is equal to 20. 25 minus 14 is equal to 11. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Let's check out the total. 4 and 9, 13 and 17, 30. 30 and 25, 55, 65, 75, 85, 86, 86, and 8 is 94 and 600. So total 100. Always verify this. Once again, we made the classes first 25 to 30 up to 65 to 70. Then 100 minus 96, 96 minus 87, 87 minus 70, 70 minus 45, 45 minus 25, 25 minus 14, 14 minus 6, 6 minus 1, and don't forget 1 minus 0, 1. This question is section D, page number 61. Now, again an important one. Now, why important? Because such questions will come in the next chapter also. So where you are given marks, you are given number of students, you will not be given this obtain original frequency. You will be asked, find mean. तो डायरेक्टली चालू नहीं पढ़ना है, हमें समझना है कि यहाँ पे क्या इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है. Always read the question first and understand it and then only start solving. So here you are given marks 10 to 100, 20 to 100, 30 to 100, 40 to 100 till 90 to 100, and number of students declining 200 to 180, 140, 90, 55, 30, 82 and 1. So this is a more than type frequency distribution. We have to convert it to original frequency distribution. So first let's make the format. Now we have the question over here which is marks, and we are given just number of students, okay, which is actually our cumulative frequency. Now 10 to 100, 200, 20 to 100, 180. So what will be our first class?
10 to
10
20.
to 20.
To 20. Okay, now 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. This one, 90 to 100. Now, number of persons. So again, we keep on subtracting. So 200 minus 180 is equal to 20. 180 minus 140 is equal to 40. 140 minus 90 is equal to 50. 90 minus 55 is equal to 35. 55 minus 30 is equal to 25. 30 minus 8 is equal to 22. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And 90 to 100, dhyan do please, 90 to 100 already given to us. 90 to 100 is 1. So let's check 20 and 40, 60 and 50, 110, 110, 170, 170 and 30, 200. So total 200. I'll do the markings over here, how we did the subtraction. to 200 minus 180, 180 minus 140, 140 minus 90, 90 minus 55, 55 minus 30, 30 minus 8, 22, 8 minus 2, this 6, and 2 minus 1, this 1, and 90 to 100 already 1. 1.